Assalamualaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I'm your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 8. 5 digits and 6 digit numbers. Write the value of the color digits. First part 20,000. 2000. Question number 2. Write in expanded form. Part A done for you. 4 write then 40 plus 2 0 plus 4. Write the number in figure placing your commas carefully. 7,538. Put this number in international period. 1,60,029. Then 160,029. Part 8 done for you. 593,162. Change this number in international to Pakistan period. 398,402. Now 3,98,402. Part A done for you. 1, 00, and 253. Write the successor of this number. If you want to find the successor of any number, then you add the 1 in any value, then you can get the successor number. For example, 682 and 999. Add 1 this value, then you can get the value 683,000. Part A done for you. 100029. Then you add the 1, you get the value 10030. Write the correct symbol. Greater, smaller, and equal. Example: equal. Part A 325001 smaller than 352 and 100. Part A smaller. Part B smaller. Part C greater. Part D smaller. Write the number names. For example, 40 lakh. Part A done for you. 15 lakhs. Question number 2. Write the number placing your commas correctly. 23 lakhs. 20,00 then 000. Part A done for you. Then 19, 00, and 000. Place these 7 digits number in Pakistani periods and write their names. Then 31,19,624. Write the number placing your commas carefully. 64,02,060. Part A done for you. 71,12,042.